She was taking me down to get my prescriptions, which I got. She was fine. Then when I came out of the pharmacy, she was laid over in a seat, but she was breathing. She couldn't drive.
The video for today is a tragic story. It's a story about a man who went to try to find his wife. He ended up finding her passed out in the passenger seat of her own vehicle, suffering from an overdose, with a stranger driving that car. The man's wife was later pronounced deceased. I want to offer my condolences to the family of this woman, because they are the true victims of the drug trade.
190, I'm out with the lieutenant.
Okay.
Were you in the car too?
No, I was in the car. She was out.
Yeah. Okay. Just hang out with me here.
I was with her this morning.
Okay.
She was taking me down to
Is this her car?
to get my medicine.
Okay.
He says it's his car. She says it's her car.
Who was driving the car?
I was.
Okay.
She was taking me down to get my prescriptions, which I got. She was fine. Then when I came out of the pharmacy, she was laid over in a seat, but she was breathing. She couldn't drive.
How long ago was that?
Huh?
How long ago was that?
About 9 o'clock.
Okay.
And so I was just trying to get home to Eakin Road, and I didn't know that she had turned blue. But I was just trying to help the lady.
Was she in the back seat or front seat?
She was in the front seat.
Okay.
See, I met her last
Do you
night.
know her name or anything?
Patricia, that's all I know.
Okay.
I met her last night. And
What's your name?
Francis. And she did some last night. And she tried to drive. And I said, no, you can't drive. Not like that.
What's your social, Francis?
To her. She's even got it in the person.
Mm-hmm.
If she didn't take
When do you
it
think
back,
she
but
used last?
She had to use it when I went in the pharmacy.
This morning at like
Yeah.
9? Okay.
Well, pharmacy.
What's she do? She shoot up?
K9 to the Tom channel, please. K9 to the Tom channel.
Okay. What's your phone number?
I don't have a phone.
Okay, that's fine. Here, scooch over. Let me get this license plate. So you don't know whose car this is?
She says it's hers.
Uh-huh.
He says it's his. I don't know whose car it is. I was just trying to help the lady.
Okay. Is this her purse?
I don't know.
Just you wait over there.
Okay.
Okay, thank you guys.
Hey, me. Don't hate me. Don't hate me.
Doctors.
Yeah, I know. So that's the bitch right there?
Yeah.
You riding around with her like that, bitch?
No, I tried to
Then why the fuck? No, you didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, you're gonna be fine, I'm telling you.
I didn't do anything to her.
You dope-headed bitch, look at you.
I didn't do anything to her.
That should be you there, bitch.
I'm sorry, what'd you say, sir?
She did it herself.
Send me another car, please.
I'm telling you.
Okay, copy.
There's 2 Midwatch cars that are supposed to be on the way.
9100, 9102, copy, order 60. 9100, I'm pulling up.
Doctors and she ain't gonna make it.
Yeah, I know. But I appreciate you guys. Just hang out right there.
Okay. I'm going to see what's going on.
You're still on a 69 and 101.
Do stop signs, not fucking stop. Like he's
Yeah, just get him here.
But you trying to help?
I was trying to
But you
help.
trying to help and he's chasing you?
I didn't know he was chasing
What
me.
dope-headed bitch?
I don't know
190.
that.
We just have some angry family members that showed up, so a couple more cars would be fantastic.
You're a fucking murderer, is what the fuck you are.
Okay,
Kill
copy.
her.
They need to lock your ass the fuck up, you dope-headed bitch.
She did it herself.
Let them leave you here and find
You
out.
was driving. You could have took her to the paramedics. That's not even your car. Do you have a license?
Yeah.
What the fuck you doing in the car, you dope-headed
We're car are you in today?
9100.
Okay. This is our victim. She's going to doctors. She's not going to live.
She's not.
30
or 49.
Yeah. She used probably about 9 o'clock this morning. They were driving around. She was with her in this car.
She did.
What happened to you?
Huh? Right
Why are
here.
you leaving all scratched?
Because my nerves are bad. What happened was she took me to my pharmacy this morning. She was at the Forest Creek. She did a crack last night. I told her she couldn't drive.
The car with fucking
And
handcuffs.
she tried to drive, but she rolled over the sidewalk. So I told her I said, pull the car over and stop. So she
Who are you to this lady?
What medic is this?
just a friend that I met.
190. Medic 817 is going to have one for doctors. Critical life threatening.
She said, do you mind if you do this? And I'm like, no, I don't do this. And
Okay, let me know when I can shut down.
I'm like,
You're like a
We have enough people here now.
Okay, anybody running and slow it down?
she snorted it.
Go take a fatty shot, bitch.
9192, we can send the doctor.
Ahead of her, and just like that quick.
How you doing, ALT?
So when she took me to the pharmacy this morning, she was fine. I went in the pharmacy, came back out,
So,
and she was still breathing, but she couldn't drive.
817.
So I
Doctors. I aired it.
to get back here, I didn't know that she had. I believe she was breathing in the car. I didn't give her shit. You guys were in this vehicle? Yeah.
I haven't had a chance to run the tag or anything. I'll go run it real fast.
Do we have her info at all?
I wrote it down at least.
Where are they going?
Doctors. 9192 is on the way there.
9192 is going to doctor?
Yeah, I aired it. Critical life threatening.
I didn't.
I think we're doing all right now. She's gone. He's angry. He's family.
I mean, you wouldn't be neither. Y'all,
No.
I see how y'all staying around a fucking dopehead.
Okay.
I do not do drugs. You check me, I don't do drugs.
I'll go.
I didn't give it to her.
Run the car and run her real quick. I don't know who he is. LT was talking to him. Let's run some info.
Son of a bitch is standing in front of
The car does belong to the victim.
I'm going to make a quick call to assault squad or homicide and let them know.
right here.
It's because of what they're...
Yeah, the rules on these things change so frequently, I can't remember.
I'll let you know here in a minute.
Okay. Yeah, Lieutenant's calling upstairs real quick. Let's just leave the car, everything intact for now.
Ain't no one gonna tell me to do a goddamn.
She's 1018. She's dead. They're just transporting to help us out to get her off the scene. So
Tell me to calm down. Rest that bitch and I will.
she should
Put that
probably
dope-headed bitch in cuffs and I
get
will.
put in a car just to
Riding
keep
around
her
with something
safe.
like that.
Hopefully one of the temp precinct cars.
Let me ride around
The car, this registers to the
Let me
victim.
ride around the bitch.
Patty.
Yeah. So,
Liz, we're going to put her in a car.
Yeah, my car's all the way down there though. Medic.
oh, is he putting
I
her in
never ran
yours?
them. Did you read that?
I didn't. I just ran the tag to see who it belonged to, and
She's
I'm
gonna
gonna pull my
jump the rest
car
of her
up.
fucking life.
okay.
Closer.
Which ain't gonna be long.
Okay.
Look at her. She's a dopehead.
I don't know. Some kind of family member.
Are you guys relative?
Yeah, after he chased him.
That's my son-in-law.
After he chased the bitch, he called it in.
Is Patty your wife?
That's my wife.
Your wife?
And this lady here, I caught trying to come. I seen him coming off Broad Street. I was going up there to the Clean Slate where she had an appointment at 10 o'clock to go to get some boxing. So I knew she had to be there. So I was going for just to make sure she made her appointment, so I knew she was okay.
Patty?
Yes. And then I seen this woman driving the car. And she made a turn right there at Demerits and Eakin, or right there at Demerits, and went down to Eakin and made a right on or left on the Eakin. And I got in behind her, blew the horn a couple times, but then she took off flying and she ran like 2 or 3 stop signs. And then the only reason she stopped right here is there was a loader, or some kind of dozer or something, that tractor thing right there. She's coming off here and she couldn't go nowhere, so I got around and crossed her off right there before she went in. And I called you guys. When I got out of the car to get my wife out of the car, she was all limped over. She wasn't even, she was all blue. I mean, if you were trying to help her, why are you going to ride around with her? You ain't helping her.
You know Patty?
Just start doing some boxing. Then she has her drug was going on the first
What's up?
She was in the hospital. I don't know. Probably about 2 weeks ago. They had her in Mark Farmer West. They had her in Mark Farmer in New York City.
You detective?
No, he's calling him right now.
I was just wondering why she's here in a crime
No,
scene.
she took off.
No, she's here with me for a ride along.
So she don't have to say who she is when she's asked if she's a detective or anything?
She doesn't have to talk to anybody.
Maybe she shouldn't be here then.
Okay.
Okay.
Is that your sister?
Don't worry about it. Don't ask me nothing.
Okay.
Be a fucking dick. Don't ask me shit.
I don't know who she is. I have no.
Are you happy on what you're seeing here?
What does it look like?
I don't know. That's what I'm asking you. I just want to know if you're happy to see what you see.
No.
I don't know. I don't know why everyone's here. I'm asking a simple question. I'm asking a simple question. You can go ahead and do whatever you want to do. Go ahead and do what you got to do. Don't talk to me. Go do what you got to do. Don't talk to me. I'm not talking to you. I'm not talking to you. End the conversation. End the conversation. Do what you got to do.
Walk over there. Go ahead and walk over there. If you come over here and make noise, you're going to draw a lot of attention to yourself.
Yeah, man, I'll stand here and keep on making noise then. We'll just stand here and you can sit there and run your fucking mouth while you goddamn work. I ain't doing a goddamn thing. Do what you got to do. Shut up and do what you got to do. I know my right. I know my right. Shut up and do what you got to do. You work for me. You work for me. Yeah, you do. Who do you work for? Who do you work for? Yeah, who else? The people of Columbus. You better
Somebody's
fucking
with her.
learn.
Okay.
She's in a car.
Okay.
No, she's with me. She's my right
Fucking
along.
righteous like I know.
I'm just trying to find out if she's with them or what's going on.
What, you got to be a lawyer?
Like I said, I feel.
You have to be a lawyer. You have to be a lawyer.
I feel that she should be arrested. She's right on my car.
Okay, we will figure all that out.
Okay. Something you need to fucking learn.
Get him out of here. He's gonna get himself arrested in a second.
Like I said, do your fucking job.
We're trying to, but you're...
Then shut the fuck up and leave me alone.
Then go.
The fuck? Trash. He ain't doing a goddamn thing standing around his fucking mouth. The fuck? Nah, don't talk to my goddamn wife about a goddamn thing. Let's go, Christina. Let's go. Don't talk that son of a bitch about shit.
I'm pretty close. I just don't know how much of a fight I want to get in.
Let's go. Fuck him. Fuck you. Okay.
She went to doctors if that's where you guys would like to go.
Fuck that son of a bitch and everything he's got. And fuck that bitch is standing there. You ready? You ready? That motherfucker right there wants to talk to me like that? He better learn his fucking rights. Bet he won't talk to me that way without a fucking badge. I live at 7. You're more than welcome to stop by any time. Okay?
Go ahead and hop in the car and get out of here.
Fucking son of a bitch. You ready?
9192. Doctors were asking if you have any type of drugs.
Don't worry about what the fuck we do.
The doctor's away. Okay.
Fucking trash. Both of you guys are fucking trash. Fuck the bitch you riding along with fucking too.
I was told she has to perfect that and then fentanyl and laid out the leather that should go that goes white powdery substance and starting that last night.
Motherfuckers wanna talk that way with the motherfucker out here. Yeah. Swear to fucking God. Have a nice fucking day. Ball-headed son
Okay,
of a
thank you.
bitch.
Are they going to respond?
209 South Terrace residential
Okay.
house going to be on the back door. The first one said entry access, the second alarm that just came in said back door.
Hey, just make sure you didn't swing on the lieutenant.
I was trying to help her. How you helping her? Fucking doctors all over the fucking place. You just came by a fucking doctor. You were trying to help her. You want to stop, man. Right here, you ran through 3 stops. I was trying to get away from her. She was missing here. I was trying to get her to stop. She wouldn't stop, and then, like I said, the only reason she had to stop there was that dozer was coming off the street right here, and she had to stop for a minute. So I pinned her in, and so I pinned her there and called you guys.
No, he's calling assault squad and homicide to run it by him. Yeah, the medic told me she's dead. They just didn't pronounce. You know what I mean? Yeah.
You tell Wrecker that.
I don't know if I did or not. The one that was driving is over in 195.
You have her in the car?
Yeah.
All right, so the other witness to it, of course, is him. So we're going to hold it as a scene
Okay.
until homicide calls me back. So he's a witness, and there's a witness in the house, the second house up.
Yeah, the construction worker looking guy.
Yeah, the older fellow. So we want to make sure
Okay.
he doesn't go anywhere.
It was the second house. Somebody was over there.
Jason, elder contact.
Okay, he's got his info and
Well, we
everything.
just need to make sure it doesn't go anywhere.
Okay. Okay.
If that
I was gonna answer that question for him. So basically, they're both users hanging out.
So the husband tells me that his wife was supposed to go over to his boxing clinic
I
today.
caught that part.
And he wanted to make sure she was going there. He said he follows and he sees this other woman driving the car, and so he gets behind her and starts laying the horn, telling her to stop. He said she ran like 3 stop signs to get here.
Yeah.
And the reason she stopped here is because that front loader was blocking the roadway.
Yeah.
So he goes around him and goes to get his wife out of the car. She's lumped over. I'm wondering if that bitch is driving around with her dad.
She was.
Yeah.
She told me that she was conscious at about 9 a.m. They went to a pharmacy. I didn't catch which pharmacy. And then when she came back, old girl was slumped over. She's like, I thought she was just asleep. So she starts driving around. She said that was about
Trying
9
to figure
a.m.
out what to do with the dead body. I guess she didn't want to drop her off at the hospital and get in trouble for it.
Yeah. And she's in the dead person's car.
Right. She's driving.
Yeah, she should have just, well, she should have done a lot of things. And she said she doesn't have a phone.
Okay.
So, that's basically all I know.